Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will guide you through PHQ-2 Scoring. A PHQ-2 scoring guide is a valuable resource used in healthcare settings to assess and monitor patients for signs of depression. The Patient Health Questionnaire 2 is a concise and widely used tool that consists of just 2 questions, making it a quick and effective way to screen for depressive symptoms. The guide typically assigns a numerical value to each response. Not at all equals 0, several days equals 1, more than half the days equals 2, and nearly every day equals 3. Patient scores on the 2 questions are added together to produce a total score, the highest score indicating a greater likelihood of depression. Healthcare providers can then use predetermined cutoff scores to classify patients into risk categories such as minimal, mild, moderate, or severe depression. Early detection of depression is crucial for timely intervention and support, and the PHQ-2 scoring guide streamlines this process. To use our free PHQ scoring, follow these steps. Download our PHQ-2 scoring from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Provide the patient with the PHQ-2 questionnaire, which consists of 2 simple questions. Over the last 2 weeks, how often have you been bothered by little interest or pleasure in doing things? Over the last 2 weeks, how often have you been bothered by feeling down, depressed, or hopeless? Patients are asked to rate their responses on a scale. Add the scores from both questions to obtain a total score. The score can range from 0 to 6. Interpret the score. 0 to 1 is minimal or no depressive symptoms. 2 to 3 is mild depressive symptoms. 4 to 6 is moderate to severe depressive symptoms. Depending on the score, discuss the findings with the patient. Based on the results, healthcare providers can decide on appropriate next steps, including a more comprehensive depression assessment, treatment planning, or referral to a mental health specialist. Here is a sample of our PHQ-2 scoring, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our PHQ-2 scoring, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.